Alright guys, as you can see, this video is why you should purchase you a edger whenever you're able to purchase it. Now, these edgers aren't going to be cheap at all. And if you got a weed eater, some good .95, you can do this. But that edger just saves you time. It's going to get that overgrown just crispy. And you see I'm knocking it loose right here. And the edger I got right here is a RedMax. It's actually not a dedicated edger. That's part of my RedMax Kombi system. But this edger, it pretty much has enough power that I need to get that edge established on those overgrown edges. And when you're trying to hit quality, guys, and you got lawns like this is pretty much a historic house here in my area. The lawn's beautiful, yard's beautiful, and when the dogwood season starts, we have a dogwood trail, and the dogwood trail starts at this home right here. So this edger is gonna make a total difference when you see at the end of this video. And like I say, you can do it with a string trimmer, but the professionals are rocking the edger. This is why you need an edger, guys. The edger's gonna get this nice and crispy. Super nice and super crispy. I'm gonna clean it up, but you can see it just knocked in that line with no problem. Couldn't even see it before. And when you got a residence that look like this, you wanna make it look real good. So we'll go to the other side and I'll show you. You see how I got that side looking real nice. I'm gonna have to go through and clean it up, make it look real good. And now that I got that edge established, I'm gonna come back over it with the string trimmer and clean it up real nice. Now I just switched. I was using the RedMax line, which I've been using the last few years. When I first started, I was using the Husqvarna string trimmer line. But lately, I've been using the Echo Black Diamond, and man, it hasn't disappointed. I really fell in love with this trimmer line. And you guys drop a comment. Let me know what you're running. What type of string trimmer line do you guys run in your business? I really want to know. Like I say, this Black Diamond I've been liking it. I've definitely noticed the difference. So you guys check it out when I get done finished with this yard. It's a beautiful home. You'll see why I believe you'll need a stick edger. You'll see how crispy clean it looks when I'm done with this thing. And stay tuned to the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and if you hadn't watched the channel, welcome to Boneyard Lawn Service. stripes there, but it's cut pretty low. They're trying to get the house sold, so want to lower it and get it. I'll get around to the front and I'll finish. All right, now you guys see the final results. Got it looking great again. Looking real good. Like I said, with a residence looking like this, man, you gotta make it look good. And we go to these edges to show you why you just might need to get you an edger. You guys see how I got this looking nice and crispy around here. Now I got a video a while back where I mowed this thing. My first time mowing it, but I mowed this thing twice. Did landscaping on it twice, guys. So crispy. Look how crispy this edge is, man, with this edger. Now, I'm not saying you can't do it with a string trimmer, but you guys see how precise that edge looks with that edger? It's a huge difference, huge difference. Now I messed up a little bit right there where I came back with the trimmer, but looks great. So, let me check this out right here from this angle. Now that edge just looks way more crispier than when I first came. As that edger. So, yeah, it's looking. Backyard wasn't too much of nothing. Too much of nothing to show for real. It wasn't too fancy. It wasn't a bunch of edging and cleaning like I was trying to do, but you guys see it. Looks great. You see the things up for sale. So, get at me in the next video. Boneyard Lawn Service. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like. Leave a comment. I'll holler at you the next one. Just some crispy edges like this, guys. What you want, nice and crispy.